Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As you might be knowing that I have started a series of videos in which I am providing you the IELTS reading vocabulary, the most important 300 IELTS reading vocabulary words which are basically appearing in academic IELTS reading. So this is the second part of that series. Now in this video I am writing the words from 51 to 100. My first word is rehabilitation, meaning is recovering someone or re-establishing. This word is very important. Then next is supplementary, meaning is something additional, something extra, something free of cost. Then you can say counseling, providing guidance or assistance to someone. Then vulgarity, means something ill-mannered, bad, improper or shameful. Then triggered, means something is activated by. Then next is domestic, something related to home, any pet or family related thing. Then phenomenon, meaning is fact and happening. This word we see commonly in academic IELTS reading. Then next is statutory, meaning is legal or something lawful. Next is occupied, meaning is busy or engaged. Emancipation, meaning is releasing something, making something free. Then ply, meaning is difficult situation, sad state, something is in bad condition. Then fortified, it has two meanings, one is armed and second is healing. Then next is additives. Additives are those things which are added to any food, or you can say adding ingredients, and basically those are chemical ingredients. Next is digestion, means breaking up of food. Disorder, trouble, confusion or something messy. Then elimination, means cancelling something or excluding something. Then remedy, meaning is treatment or cure. Undertaken something means starting something or taking charge. Then assimilation, means taking in or fully understanding something, that is called assimilation. Resistance, strength, resilience, refuse to accept, these are the meanings. Then adversely, means something badly or negatively. Rituals, meaning is traditions. Then hostile, means unfriendly, unkind. Linguistic, relating to languages. We see that in academic IELTS reading most of the times second or third passages about the research papers. So this word also we see commonly. Linguistic, meaning is relating to languages. Then acquire, meaning is gain or to have something. Then disposal, you can say getting rid of something, ditching something, or it can also have these meanings, layout or arrangement. Then offensive, something hurtful, something rude, something you can say attacking someone. Then outlaw, means banning, ban, put a ban on something. Then prevent, disguised, changing one's appearance. Then masses, you can say group of people, crowds, many people. Tragedy, disaster or mishappening. Accumulation, collection or gathering of something. Then closed up, means blocking something or obstacle. Ingredients are elements or materials. Manufacturer, meaning is maker or builder. Luxurious, something wealthy, lavish. Lucrative, meaning is profitable. Overseas, means foreign lands. Veterinary, doctor, which is treating animals. Determine, means form or decide something. Then figurative, meaning is symbolic. Hypothesis, this word is also a typical IELTS academic reading word. And hypothesis means something based on theory, something based on little evidence, any study which is based on little evidence. Then intention, meaning is purpose or motive. Then interaction, meaning is exchange, relation or communication. Intermediate, meaning is medium, something in the middle. Then intermittent, meaning is irregular, discontinuous. Integration, combination, blending. Infer, means conclude something, figure out something. Narrative, story or description of something. Then last one is pace, meaning is speed. So friends, I hope you are learning all these words. You must have learned some of the words from my previous video, and keep on learning these all vocabulary words for getting higher bands in IELTS reading. So see you in the next video. So keep on learning, keep on practicing. Thank you so much for watching.